One thing that's often overlooked in the design for manufacture process is the very end of the line when the product gets transported. There are software packages out there that help you optimize the packaging of your product to make sure that when you stack it into the case, on the pallet and into the shipment, into the container, that you've done it optimally. An example of this, which is quite commonly used, is something like a wine bottle. And say you start off with your design, and it's a wine bottle which you're putting into the software package, and you allow it to vary by 2 millimeters on the diameter and 2 millimeters on the height, but you want to maintain the total volume of 750 centiliters. The program can take that in terms of changing the way that the stacks go on the pallet with something like, let's say this is a Euro pallet, 1.2 by 0.8 meters. You get stack limitations in terms of how high you stack, but just imagine that little edge that it gives you in terms of the combined stack up, that you might actually be able to combine, add another layer of product on top of there if that height was 2 millimeters shorter. A good example which they use in one of the programs is that by changing the dimensions of the product but maintaining the volume and insignificant changes which you can't visibly really see, changing the stacking method of putting boxes on the pallet and then looking at the pallet arrangement in a container, one particular bottle, they managed to get 35% more on that shipment. Now 35% more on your shipment is a massive cost saving right down the line.